Hi everyone, Antoinette here and welcome to Decorating Anne's Place. Today I'm in this corner in my living room. I'm going to show you how I marry two different looks, a bit of glitz and glam married to farmhouse, roosters, hens, and chickens. And I'm going to show you how this look can work by using the same color tones. So stay tuned, I'll show you step by step how I do that. The first glitzy glamoury piece I'm using is this sparkly branch. You have most likely seen me use it before if you watch my channel regularly. And it's on this base that is mirror and sparkle. This piece here is often in this corner. I do move it for Halloween and Christmas. I move it to another area of the house, but really this does tend to stay here on this pedestal mostly during the year. And let's see what else I add. So this candle here is part of my regular year-round decor, and I've placed it inside this very sparkly, glitzy, glamorous candle holder. And I believe I bought that at Bath & Body Works. And I've added this little succulent on top. And I've done that to add a bit of greenery, also to give this piece a bit of height. And I do like the pot that it's in. It's sort of a stone look, and that stone look looks fabulous with our pillar. And what I've done is I've taken this really cute, pretty picture frame that is from Bombay & Company. Most of you may remember that store. I have simply printed off this fantastic rooster print with this cute fleur-de-lis here. And I've placed it just inside a little plate stand. Then I've added these really cute guys here. This could possibly be a hen. And this one here, possibly a chicken. This piece right here is part of a salt and pepper shaker set. And I've just used one for this display. The next thing I did was I took this great vase that I have. It does have just a bit of gold sparkle in there. Otherwise, it's mostly white and gray, which looks nice with our pedestal. I put it upside down, and on top of that, I've placed my cute little silver-toned rooster. I purchased him not too long ago at HomeSense before our lockdown, which we are mostly out of now here in Ontario, Canada. How exciting. This rooster here, he's actually a garden rooster. He is made of metal. He used to have a garden stake attached to the back of him, and I did remove that so that I could display him better indoors. And I've just displayed him on this little easel here. And you can see that he sort of blends in nicely with the rest of the display because, like I said before, I have used all mostly neutral tones. And because of that, the glitz and the glam blends in nicely with this rooster farmhouse look. What do you think?